Hey everyone, I bought and tested these clutches so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're like me, you want your Jeep to perform at its best without any hiccups. That's why I've dug deep into the best clutches for Jeep Wrangler and Grand Cherokee. Let's get started.
Product number 1, A Premium Clutch Kit. When I first got my hands on the A Premium Clutch Kit, I was pleasantly surprised by the quality of the components. Installing it in my 97 Wrangler TJ was straightforward. The kit comes with everything you need: the pressure plate, clutch disc, release bearing, pilot bearing, and even an alignment tool. I remember the first time I hit the road after replacing the clutch. The smoothness was undeniable. It felt like my Jeep had a new lease on life. The pros of this kit are that it's compatible with various Jeep models, including the Cherokee and Grand Cherokee, making it versatile. The build quality is impressive, designed to withstand high performance demands, and the 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee provided by A Premium gives me peace of mind. However, on the flip side, it's a little heavier than some competitors, which might concern those looking for a lighter option. So why should you buy the A Premium Clutch Kit? If you want a reliable, hassle-free installation with solid performance, this kit is hard to beat for the price. It's an affordable option that doesn't skimp on quality, making it a great choice for daily driving or off-road adventures.
Product number 2, Clutch Max Pro Heavy Duty OEM Clutch Kit. When I installed this in my 09 Wrangler, I could immediately feel the difference in responsiveness. The kit includes a solid nodular flywheel and an HD pressure plate, which really boosts performance. I recall taking it off-road after the installation, and the grip was outstanding. It felt like the clutch was made for adventure. The benefits of this kit are numerous. The build quality is top-notch, and it's designed and manufactured in the USA, which is a significant plus for me. The customer support from Clutch Max is also industry-leading, ensuring you won't be left in the dark if you have questions or issues. However, the price point is higher than some others, so it might not fit everyone's budget. Why buy the Clutch Max Pro Heavy Duty Kit? If you want a premium clutch that can handle the rigors of both daily driving and off-roading, this is your go-to choice. The warranty of 12 months or 15,000 miles is a testament to its reliability.
Product number 3, Clutch Max Pro Performance Stage 2 Clutch Kit. The Clutch Max Pro Performance Stage 2 Clutch Kit caught my eye next. It's designed for those who want to push their Jeep to the limits. I installed this kit on my 98 Cherokee and the performance was noticeably improved, especially when towing. The carbon Kevlar infused disc offers great durability and grip. After a few weeks of use, I took it to the trails and it held up beautifully. This kit's strengths include its horsepower rating of 260 HP and torque capacity of 285 pound-feet, making it perfect for performance street driving and moderate towing. It also comes with a solid nodular HD flywheel and comprehensive installation instructions, which made my DIY project a breeze. However, if you're just looking for a casual upgrade, this might be overkill in terms of performance and cost. So why consider the Clutch Max Pro Performance Stage 2 kit? If you're serious about performance and need a clutch that can keep up with your adventurous spirit, this kit is worth every penny. It's designed to deliver, ensuring your Jeep performs at its peak.
Product number 4, Clutch Max Pro Performance Stage 2 Clutch Kit and Flywheel. Another standout is the Clutch Max Pro Performance Stage 2 Clutch Kit and Flywheel. I was excited to install this on my 01 Grand Cherokee. Right from the start, I noticed the robust build quality. Everything felt heavy-duty and designed for real-world performance. After the installation, I took it for a spin and wow, the engagement was smooth and the torque transfer was fantastic. The main benefits of this kit are its compatibility with a wide range of Jeep models and its impressive horsepower rating of 264 HP, which is perfect for both city driving and off-roading. The included performance pressure plate and carbon Kevlar disc add to its durability and reliability. The only downside I found was that it might not be as easy to install for beginners, so some mechanical know-how is beneficial. Why buy this kit? If you want a performance upgrade that gives you the confidence to tackle tough terrains in everyday driving, this clutch kit is a solid investment. You'll feel the difference in every gear change.
Product number 5. A Premium Transmission Clutch Kit Set. We have the A Premium Transmission Clutch Kit Set, which I installed on my '08 Wrangler. The installation was straightforward, and I loved that it included everything needed for a complete replacement. Right off the bat, the difference in how my Jeep handled was incredible. The clutch engagement was perfect, and I felt more in control, especially during off-road excursions. The advantages of this kit are clear. It's designed specifically for certain Jeep models, ensuring a perfect fit. The quality of the materials is impressive, and with a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, I felt secure in my purchase. However, it is a bit heavier, which might be a consideration for those looking to reduce weight. So, why should you consider the A Premium Transmission Clutch Kit Set? If you're looking for a reliable, well-built clutch that won't break the bank, this is a fantastic choice. It provides excellent performance for both everyday use and adventurous outings. In conclusion, each of these clutches has its strengths and can enhance your Jeep's performance. Whether you're looking for reliability, performance, or a great price point, there's a perfect fit for you. Choose wisely and happy driving.